The dryer section spinner motor takes center stage, emphasizing the necessity of maintaining intact connections for optimal performance. The role of the capacitor in energizing both motors is critical, highlighting its importance in the overall operation of the washing machine. Next, we check the timer switch for the spinner motor to ensure its functionality, illustrating effective troubleshooting steps to uncover potential faults. Initially, the process requires opening the spinner tube and inspecting for any blockages or timer-related issues, ensuring everything operates smoothly before continuing. In the repair process, we identify a broken lock, damaged by a rat, stressing the importance of comprehensive inspections during routine maintenance. The video proposes a quick fix for the broken lock, allowing for a prompt restoration of functionality, thus emphasizing practical approaches to repairs. Grasping the motor's operation is vital, as it depends on the foot switch for activation. An open lid will prevent the motor from engaging. Should the foot switch fail, connecting the wires directly offers a temporary workaround, ensuring functionality until a proper replacement is obtained. Preparing the wires appropriately is essential for a dependable connection. Ensure that the wire ends are cut and stripped correctly to prevent electrical issues. Replacing the switch involves confirming the spinner's functionality prior to reassembly, as proper alignment is critical for effective operation. Following the installation of the control panel, thorough testing is crucial to verify that everything operates as expected, helping to avert future complications. Gaining insight into common problems associated with washing machine switches enables users to tackle repairs independently, ultimately saving both time and repair costs.